Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we've got some exciting rumors about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. There's a lot to unpack, so let's dive right in. One of the biggest rumors swirling around is that Samsung might be removing S Pen support on the new Z Fold 6 Slim model. Now, you might be wondering why they would do that. Well, the S Pen requires an extra display layer to function. By removing this, Samsung could make the Z Fold 6 even slimmer. It's not specified exactly how thin the Z Fold 6 Slim will be, whether folded or unfolded, but the goal is reportedly to demonstrate that it's possible to have a foldable phone that's both thin and durable. But here's the catch. The Z Fold 6 Slim might be a limited release. Reports suggest that only 400,000 to 500,000 units will be available worldwide, and it could be restricted to specific regions. According to the Elec, China is likely to be one of those regions. Considering China's competitive market, filled with foldable phones from Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi and others, Samsung needs to stay in the game. A slimmer Z Fold 6 could be a key strategy to attract consumers in that market. Now, for those of us outside China, we'll have to wait and see how easy it will be to get our hands on this slimmer version of the Z Fold 6. Hopefully, we won't have to wait too long, even though Q4 seems like a long way away. Interestingly, there are also rumors that the Galaxy S24 FE might launch around the same time this fall. So, we might see both phones debut together, giving us even more to look forward to. That's all for today's update on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. What do you think about the potential removal of S Pen support? And how do you feel about the limited release? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.